When it comes to organizing your garage, office, or utility room, a metal storage cabinet can be a game changer. The metal storage cabinet with wheels offers an affordable and practical solution for keeping tools, supplies, and other essentials neatly stored and easily accessible. With adjustable shelves, upgraded locks, and a sturdy design, this storage cabinet is a popular choice for those looking to declutter their space. But does it live up to expectations? Let's take a closer look at its features, performance, and customer feedback to help you decide whether this is the right storage solution for you. Key features and benefits. 1. Sturdy metal construction for durability. One of the standout features of this metal garage cabinet is its steel construction, making it more durable compared to plastic or wooden storage units. The solid build ensures longevity, so you don't have to worry about frequent replacements. While it may not be a heavy-duty industrial cabinet, it holds a considerable amount of weight without bending or warping. 2. Convenient mobility with locking wheels. Unlike traditional stationary cabinets, this model comes with built-in wheels, making it easy to move around your workspace. This is especially useful in garages or workshops where you may need to reposition the cabinet based on your workflow. The wheels are sturdy and lock in place, ensuring the unit stays put when needed. 3. Adjustable shelves for flexible storage. Storage needs vary, and this cabinet offers adjustable partitions to accommodate different items. Whether you need extra space for tools, kitchen supplies, fitness equipment, or office essentials, you can customize the shelf heights to fit your specific needs. 4. Upgraded locks and handles for convenience. Many storage cabinets come with cumbersome locking mechanisms, but this one features an upgraded lock and handle system that allows you to secure or simply close the doors without fully locking them. This makes it more user-friendly, especially for quick access. 5. Easy DIY assembly with clear instructions. Assembling storage cabinets can often be frustrating, but this one is designed for hassle-free assembly. Each panel is clearly labeled, and the manufacturer provides both a written manual and an instructional video for guidance. Most users report that assembly takes 30 to 45 minutes, depending on experience. 6. Compact yet spacious design. Measuring 18.1-inch D x 30.3, W x 35.4 h, this cabinet strikes a balance between compactness and storage capacity. It's large enough to store a variety of items while being small enough to fit comfortably in garages, kitchens, basements, and even home offices. Performance and user experience. The metal storage cabinet with wheels performs well for its price, providing adequate storage space and mobility. Most users appreciate its sturdiness, ease of assembly, and adjustable shelving, making it a versatile choice for different storage needs. However, it's important to note that this is not an industrial-grade cabinet. Some users found that the material is not as thick as high-end metal cabinets, and the screws included in the package could be of better quality. If you plan to store very heavy items, you may want to reinforce the shelves for added durability. Another mixed opinion among customers is the assembly process. While many found it straightforward, others reported that the written instructions could be clearer. Watching the provided video tutorial seems to help make the process smoother. Customer reviews. What are people saying? With 206 global ratings and an average of 4.1 out of 5 stars, the general consensus is that this cabinet offers good value for the price. Here's what some customers had to say. Heavy check mark. The cabinet came well packaged and without damage. Assembly was simple with the video tutorial. It's not heavy duty, but it holds my tools just fine. Heavy check mark. I needed a storage unit for my fitness equipment, and this does the job perfectly. The adjustable shelves are a great feature. Heavy check mark. Good quality for the price. Instructions weren't great, but once I figured it out, the assembly was easy. Heavy multiplication X. The screws stripped easily, so I had to be extra careful during assembly. Would be better with higher quality hardware. Heavy multiplication X. Not as sturdy as I expected. It works for light storage, but I wouldn't overload it with very heavy items. Pros and cons. Pros. Heavy check mark. Affordable and good value for the price. Heavy check mark. Sturdy metal construction. Heavy check mark. Adjustable shelves for flexible storage. Heavy check mark. Wheels for easy mobility. Heavy check mark. Upgraded lock and handle for convenience. Heavy check mark. Compact yet spacious design. Cons. Heavy multiplication X. Not a heavy-duty cabinet. May not support excessive weight. Heavy multiplication X screws could be of better quality. Heavy multiplication X written assembly instructions could be clearer. Final verdict. Is it worth buying? If you're looking for an affordable, versatile, and easy-to-move storage cabinet, this metal storage cabinet with wheels is a solid choice. It's perfect for organizing tools, office supplies, fitness gear, or kitchen essentials without taking up too much space. While it may not be the sturdiest industrial-grade cabinet, it delivers great value for $99.99. As long as you follow the video instructions for assembly and don't overload the shelves, This cabinet can serve as a practical storage solution for years to come. Current price, $99.99. Best deal available in the video description. If this sounds like the right fit for your needs, be sure to check it out and grab an exclusive discount through our video description. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and exclusive offers.